Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to review the book that is The Pax Indica by Shashi Tharoor. So this book is going to be very helpful for those who are politics type people and students who are preparing for civil services entrance exams. Mr. Tharoor has certainly penned down the thoughts for India and its future, especially for foreign relations, in the manner in which the book is unmatched, brilliantly narrated with meticulous research is quite remarkable. His fresh talk on not only the India-Pakistan but also describes the India-China relationship and India-US relationships are quite good. Another gem was his insight on improving India-China, India-Africa, India-Latin America, India-Central Asia relationships. But what I loved most in the book was his advocacy of soft powers and public diplomacy. The stress on developing these two unique and shows how they are the tools for the future. He also talks about the challenges of Indian foreign policy and shortcomings of the Indian government in history, and how they have failed to take advantage of their soft powers and hard powers in advancing its relationship and presence over the world, and provides guideline to how to improve this situation. Excellent book for those who want to understand the India's foreign policy issues faced by the government and how it affects the life of ordinary citizens. An absolute delight, a single book covering everything, every aspect of our own Bharat. The topic have been chosen cleverly for easy comprehension of the reader about how, why and what India as a country could and should do. This book is chronologically divided into 11 chapters, along with the revisiting the tryst with dynasty, hold its auspicious position of being first in the list. The chapter talks about Nehruvian socialism and his idea of world as a family, Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. This book encircles the various pillars of modern policymaker and describes the relation of India with each and every pillar. Shashi Tharoor takes different countries in following chapters and tries to explain the history of shared traditions and traits and India's symbiotic relationship with neighboring countries. Author describes the work of India on foreign grounds of Afghanistan right since the regime of Indira Gandhi and manifests the brotherly image of India in front of world by his writing. This book, Pax Indica, manifests the difficulties of foreign policy makers to frame foreign policies by making the brief acquaintance of the reader with the glimpse of multi-phased hindrance from the other countries. This book is completely package of understanding the working of nations and its outsourced stakeholders. So friends, this book is really very knowledgeable and also helpful for many students and people. So I suggest you to purchase this book and get a brief knowledge about it. So friends, please join me on this journey. Hope you liked my video. If you like my video, then do consider by hitting a like button to my video and press the bell icon for latest update. Never miss an update, and subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me. Thank you.